Hey Escambia County, do you ever find yourself wanting to quickly navigate to different areas of the student info tabs? Let me show you how. Welcome to a Byte of Tech. Let's dive in. From your Focus Portal page, you're going to look for the block Find a Student or User. Here you're going to type in the student name. Remember, you can use partial names here as well. For this example, we're going to search for our student Harry Potter. And to the right of that, you'll see the drop down for different areas of the student info tabs. You can select your tab here. We're going to use schedule for this example. And when we click search, you'll see that we navigate directly to Harry Potter's schedule in his student info tabs. This is a quick way to get to different areas. You'll see that you still have access to all of the other student info tabs across the top of the screen. Harry Potter is also listed in the top right corner, and if you hover over his name, you'll be able to see additional information about this student quickly. When you're done with that student, remember to click the red X. Now we're going to be looking at students in a simple list or on a roster. So when we navigate to that area, you can see here that it lists all of the students for that particular search. And we can see to the right of the student picture and the left of the student name, there is a purple triangle drop down. When you select that triangle, you'll see the different student info tabs listed here as well. For this example, we're going to click on absences, and you'll see that navigates us directly to the student absence screen. We can view the absence summary here or click to look at the chart. Quick, easy navigation tips. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the videos listed here or subscribe so you don't miss out on our new content.